Something else, which is of course essential in your new built 53 Chevy pickup, is the seats. And seats from a 03 Taho and a little bit older have this built-in seat belt. So you save a lot of work, a lot of safety thinking if you can use the seat belt, complete comprehensive seatbelt system that comes with these seats. These ones happen to be motorized every way. Won't need all that much, but it's kind of nice to know, and that I have. I will, of course, reupholster these and make them a little bit more exciting than the mix of plastic and leather that comes from GM. But the fundamental seat is really something that you should look for if you want individual seat front. The back seat in the Taho is also very, very good, you know, as a bench seat, so you can get 3 people up front. I prefer to have an individual seat and then with an armrest, and the width of the inside of the 53 Chevy is 1.50 m. These I have about 30 centimeters to go in the middle. Couldn't ask for anything more perfect when it comes to the seating inside and a whole way of functioning inside the 53 Chevy.